Got a thin credit file? Yeah, that can make it harder to get loans or credit cards because lenders don't have much history to review. In this video, I'll show you how to increase your credit score even with a thin credit file, step by step, so you can start building stronger credit. First, check your credit report from the major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. See exactly what's on your file. Knowing your starting point helps you plan which accounts to add. Make sure there are no errors. Dispute any mistakes because even small errors can hurt a thin file more than a thicker one. One of the fastest ways to build credit is with a secured credit card. You deposit money as collateral and then use it like a regular card. Keep balances low and pay on time, and the activity reports to the bureaus. Another strategy is to become an authorized user on a family member's or trusted friend's credit card. Their positive payment history gets added to your file, helping build length and activity without taking on the debt yourself. Credit builder loans are another option. You borrow a small amount that's held in a savings account and make regular payments. Each on-time payment gets reported, helping your thin credit file grow faster. Even with a thin file, consistent on-time payments matter. Use any active credit cards wisely and keep your balances low, ideally under 30% of your limit. This shows responsible credit behavior. Finally, track your credit score regularly using free tools or apps. Watching your thin file grow helps you stay motivated and catch any issues early. And that's it. With a secured card, authorized user accounts, credit builder loans, and consistent on-time payments, you can increase your credit score even with a thin credit file. Stay patient and consistent. It really works. If this helped, hit like and check out more tips for building good credit.